Welcome back, folks. Today I'm going to show you how you can use wildcard in your Excel search. It's very easy, and I believe all of us must know that because it will save us time while searching something in our Excel spreadsheets. So let's see, and it's very simple. So I'll start the first wildcard as question mark. It's very easy and simple. So I'll start using question mark in our search. So whenever you write down a question mark, it will show you a one character, any one character in the search. So you can see it shows only one character over there that we are supposed to search. It's very simple. The next one is how to use two question marks and why to use them. So if I use two question mark, it will show me two characters wherever they are in this list. So I select and you will see these are the two characters. So one question mark for one character only, two question marks for two characters. I'll move back onto clearing the filters. Then let's talk about three question marks. Natural and simple. It should be showing us three characters. So I put it here, three question marks, and you can see three characters only. I select, it doesn't matter if it's the characters are capital or small, it will select them. You can see it has selected four of them. So three question marks, three characters. Now let's move on to static. So I will use a static sign. A static sign is usually we use it for multiplications in Excel. So when it comes to the search itself, if I put a static sign and I put A, it will show me all the characters of A. So if I select a static sign, it will show me everything. A static is any character. So apple, sorry, I need to put it here. A static sign, and here you go. You can see everything. With ecstatic, you can select everything or any character. Now there are some characters ending with th. How I can see them? Now I will show you. You simply have to go to the search, static th. So it will show all the characters ending with th. So bath, fourth, these are a couple of them. If I want to see all the characters which are actually starting with, let's say C, so I will put C static. So everything that starts with C, it will show. C static means anything or everything that is starting with a C. Then if I put at least one character thing, that is going to be working with question mark and a static. So you can see at least one character is present in these selections, as you can see. Now, if there is a hyphen between some of the characters, and I will clear the filter here. For example, these are with the hyphens, 900-XYZ. That is very simple. I will put here question marks, three question marks, hyphen, and then two question marks. It will show me everything that is coming with the hyphen, having three characters behind and three after that hyphen. This was the search with the hyphen. Now, I want to see there are certain characters with question mark here. I want to see only the question mark ones. So that is also very easy and simple. There's a tilt sign, this one, on your keyboard. You have to use that. So I will say, show me static, all, then tilt sign, that is on your keyboard, and then shift question mark. So it will show me all the characters ending with question mark. So this was, I believe, very simple demonstration. Now I want to see, let's say, all the characters here which are with XYZ, like anywhere XYZ. So that is also very easy to see. I will put static XYZ static, which means doesn't matter where is XYZ. XYZ is in that particular box. Show me all of those cells. So you can see XYZ is in a different place. In some cases in the end, in some cases in the start, in some cases with small and big characters, and in some cases with hyphen as well, but it showed everything. So static, XYZ static means wherever XYZ is, you should show me. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Try it on your spreadsheets as well and share your feedback in the comment section, and also share your unique experience with the wildcards. It will be helpful for all of us. If you want me to pick up a specific topic in my videos, do write in the comment section as well. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel so that you always get the updates of new videos on your screens as soon as possible. Till the time we speak again, take very good care of yourself, and ta-da.